Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials: microphone permission, default assistant, and system language. Open Settings, go to Apps, select your voice app, and enable microphone permission. Once done, return to System Settings and confirm the default assistant app and preferred language so recognition matches. Restart the phone to clear transient glitches, then try a short, simple command such as "Call Mom" to confirm audio input and response. This verifies the platform before deeper fixes. You now dive into recognition and data. Clear the voice assistant's cache and, if needed, its app data to remove corrupt settings. Next, ensure Google Play services and the Assistant app are updated to the latest version since updates fix speech models. Once updated, open Voice Match or Assistant settings and retrain the wake word so the device learns your voice nuances. Make sure background noise is low while retraining. This improves accuracy and reduces false negatives when you speak commands. You finish by isolating network and hardware interactions. Toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if online recognition changes, because some commands require cloud processing. Check Bluetooth and noise suppression settings. Turning them off temporarily rules out audio routing or filtering issues. Test voice commands with the microphone and speaker in different apps to confirm hardware. If persistent failures continue, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. Otherwise, this sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.